Investigation of Terra Luna Classic (LUNC) value. After nearly 6 weeks of consolidation in the 0.000085 cents to 0.000105 cents range, LUNC's bullish tension caused an unanticipated breach beyond the 0.00013 cents mark, putting the coin into cost disclosure. The buyer managed to get a greater than 296% assembly between August 30th and September 8th. A short-term fall, caused by the inversion from the 0.000517 cents level, caused LUNC to drop below its 20 EMA. In the meanwhile, the cryptocurrency formed a bullish flag formation over a day. The coin may be placed for a potential benefit if it manages to break beyond the 0.000292 cents barrier. Soon, this may divert the expense towards the 0.000517 cents roof. A close-term bullish nullification would be indicated by any decline below the 50 EMA.